Hello and welcome to Kitchen Door Workshop, the home of replacement kitchen doors since 1996. In this video we're going to talk about L-shaped corner units and the various options we have for fitting doors onto these units. Now there are various types of corner units as such. There's those where the one half of the unit is hidden behind another unit, and we call that a lost corner unit, and that just has a normal door in it, so we're not interested in talking about those right now. What we are interested in talking about in this video are the L-shape corner wall units. When you open the doors, you can see the whole of the cabinet is revealed. Now, there are various ways that the doors fit onto this type of unit, and I just want to look at those for a few moments. Firstly, the most common way of fitting doors to this kind of unit that I've seen is where there are two individual doors where you open one and then open the next one, and these are generally joined together or not joined together, they are generally spaced apart with a corner post. Now that's fine. If you want to leave it that way, then you just need to bear in mind when measuring that we can supply a corner post, but corner posts only come in two sizes, and they're measured from the back, 30mm by 30mm or 40mm by 40mm, and that's the measurement on the back of the corner post. So if your corner post is that size, the height is 720mm, you can just replace it with a exact matching corner post and leave the doors the size that they are. If the corner post that you have is a different size, you can fabricate your own corner post from two pieces of offcut of plinth joined together. If you prefer not to do that, then there is an option which I'm going to show you in a second for creating this setup. The second type of corner door arrangement is where the doors are joined together with a traditional piano type hinge. Now if you want to replicate that, then that's fine. What you may like to do is to have the edges of the doors that have the piano hinge screwed to them, have them made, rather than with a profiled edge, have them made with a square edge. Now that's what we call a no cost option. There's no additional charge for doing that, and all you'd need to do if you're ordering this door is to have the right hand side made square edge, and on this door to have the left hand side made square edge, and that would allow you then to fix the traditional style piano hinge to the edges of the door. So the third option with L-shaped corner units is to have two doors hinged together so that it opens as one, which for most people is a lot more convenient than having to open one door and then open another. And the way that this works is one door is hinged to the cabinet with a 165-degree hinge, and the second door is fixed to the first door with an L-shaped corner unit hinge. Now, the thing to bear in mind with this arrangement is you'll have this door drilled left hand, this door can also be drilled left hand, and we then need to attach the mounting plate for this hinge to this door. Now the positioning of this mounting plate is the same as if you were attaching this door to a cabinet, and what I mean by that is that the back plate, or the holes for the back plate, are 37mm from the edge of the door, and if you watch our video on how to fit new hinges, then it sort of explains how to fit the back plate. Now, if you want to use this arrangement, we need to calculate the two door sizes, and that's very, very straightforward. All that we're going to do is measure from the face of the cabinet to the outer edge of the cabinet, and from that measurement we're going to deduct 20mm. In this instance, this measurement is 340mm, so I'm going to deduct 20mm from that, and it'll give me 320mm. Don't assume that both dimensions are the same, and double check again the measurement from the outer edge of the cabinet to the face of the cabinet to here. In this instance again, 340 millimeters less 20 millimeters is going to mean that this door is going to be 320 millimeters wide. If this were a base unit, it could be that there was a carousel inside. Now, in some instances I've seen kitchens where the carousel has the doors attached to it and the doors fold back inside the unit. It's quite an unusual way of doing it. If your base unit has that setup and the carousel is not in particularly good condition, you may want to consider, rather than trying to get the doors to fold inside the way that they do, is to create this type of arrangement where you have the two doors hinged together, remove them from the carousel or detach them from the carousel, leave the carousel in situ, and you'll find that this kind of arrangement should work very well indeed. So those are the options for L-shaped corner units. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope that you'll take a moment to watch the other guides that we've made for you. However, if you have any unanswered queries, please don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email, and we'd be delighted to try and help you.